Hello class 11th. I am going to continue with this chapter, that is excretory products and their elimination. Okay, and now today's topic is disorder of excretory system. Okay, disorder of excretory system like renal calculi, like it is also called kidney stone, and glomerulonephritis, uremia and renal failures are the major disorder of the excretory system in your syllabus. First one, that is renal calculi, also called kidney stones, is very common. Kidney stones. Kidney stones, and the second one, that is glomerulonephritis. Nephritis, and the third one is uremia, and the fourth one is renal failure. Okay, are the major disorder in the excretory system. It is your last topic of this chapter. First one is renal calculi, means occasionally the crystal of salts present in the urine solidify into the insoluble stone, that is called renal calculi or kidney stones. The kidney stones are formed in any part of the urinary tract. Okay, if they are formed in any formed in any part of the urinary tract, and ingestion of excessive calcium, a decrease in water intake, abnormally alkaline or acidic urine, and overactivity of the parathyroid glands are some of the factors which lead to the formation of renal calculi. The kidney stones are mainly composed of calcium oxalate. ठीक है, किसका बना है? दैट इज कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट. ओके, कैल्शियम ऑक्सलेट एंड कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट एंड यूरिक एसिड क्रिस्टल. कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट, एंड यूरिक एसिड क्रिस्टल. Okay, kidney stone basically composed from calcium oxalate, calcium phosphate and uric acid crystals, and when the stone gets stuck in the ureter, the pain caused is very excruciating. Surgery is the only solution to remove the stone. Okay, surgery is only the solution to remove a stone from kidney or ureter. Recently a technique is called the shock wave lithotripsy. Which technique? Shock wave lithotripsy offers an easier solution. A device called lithotripper, that is the device. Lithotripper delivers a brief high-intensity sound shock waves through a water bath or water-filled cushion. Over a period of 30 to 60 minutes, 1,000 or more hydraulic shocks wave pulverize the stone until the fragments are small enough to wash out in the urine. It is a technique. Recovery time is minimal because no incision is made. Lithotripter now use this machine, or it is a device to remove this kidney stone or renal calculi. And which type of treatment we done by this device? That is shock wave lithotripsy. Okay. Now second one is glomerulonephritis. Glomerulonephritis is also called Bright disease. Bright's disease. Okay, Bright disease is an inflammation of the kidney that involves glomeruli. ठीक है, जब glomeruli में infection होता है, that cause this disease. Okay. Now next one, that is one of the most common cause of glomerulonephritis is allergic reaction to the toxin given off by streptococci bacteria that have recently infected another part of the body. Okay, basically caused due to the allergic reaction of the toxin given off by streptococci bacteria. Okay, streptococci bacteria in this glomerulonephritis that have recently infected another part of the body, especially the throat. The glomeruli become so inflamed, swollen and engorged with blood, that is endothelial capsular membrane. Bone become highly permeable and allow blood cells and proteins to enter the filtrate. In severe cases, the glomeruli may be permanently damaged, leading to acute or chronic renal failure. Okay, and now next one is, third one is uremia. Accumulation of urea in the blood. What is uremia? Uremia basically accumulation of यूरिया इन ब्लड. ठीक है, जब ब्लड में यूरिया का कंसंट्रेशन बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड यूरेनिया, and which is highly harmful and may lead to kidney failure. Uremia usually develops after about 7 days of anuria. Anuria means absence of urine because of the reduced glomerular filtration rate and impaired tubular secretion of urea. Increased blood urea usually leads to confusion and mental disorientation. In such patient, urea can be removed by the process is called hemodialysis. All you know it. What is hemodialysis? That is simple dialysis. Okay. Now fourth one, that is renal failure, is a decrease or cessation of glomerular filtration. In acute renal failure, that is called ARF, acute renal failure. Acute or renal F failure. Kidneys abruptly stop working entirely or almost entirely. Okay, the main feature of ARF is suppression of urine flow. Causes include low blood volume, decreased cardiac output, damaged renal tubules and kidney stone. On the other hand, that is called the CRF, chronic renal failure. What is this chronic renal failure? Refers to the progressive and usually irreversible decline in the glomerular filtration rate. Persons suffering from CRF need dialysis and possibly a kidney transplant operation. Among the effects of renal failures are edema from salt and water retention, acidosis due to inability of the kidney to excrete acid substances, decrease blood urea nitrogen and elevate blood potassium level that can lead to cardiac arrest. Anemia and osteomalacia are the two main problems associated with renal failure. Okay, these are the disorders of excretory system. Now write down question, do it in your notebook. Write a short note on question number 1. Write short notes on the first one, that is uricotalism. B, hemodialysis. C1, ornithine cycle. And D1, ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration. Okay. Now and now write down question number 2. Urine, how is the structure of kidney related to the function of excretion? How is the structure of kidney related to the function of excretion? To the function of excretion. Describe the process of urine formation in humans. Describe the process of urine formation in humans. Now next one. What is the role played by renin, angiotensin in the regulation of kidney function? In the regulation of kidney function. Kidney function. Okay. Do it in your notebook.